I have a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 here. I'm going to show you how to turn on fast charging, which is fast cable charging, as well as fast wireless charging, and we'll put it to the test. So first thing is go ahead and go to your settings. You can swipe up in the middle of the screen like that. We're going to go to settings here. And then from here, we want to scroll down until we see battery and device care. Battery and device care right there. Let's tap on that. And then let's tap on battery. And now let's go down to the very bottom here where it says more battery settings. Let's tap on that. And right here in the charging, you have fast charging, which is fast cable charging, and fast wireless charging. Now, one thing to note also is if you're going to wirelessly charge, first of all, you have to have a wireless pad that's capable of fast wireless charging. Also, you have to make sure that you have a wall adapter that's capable of fast wireless charging. Okay, this here is an adaptive fast charging. This here will work, or like a Qualcomm 2.0 or 3.0 should work as well. Now, in regards to this adapter, the adaptive fast charging, it's the same thing if you're going to go ahead and charging just using the cable. Okay, you have to use an adapter that's capable of fast charging as well. Okay, so let's do a quick test here. Okay, we're going to do a wireless charging here. So I have fast wirelessly charging enabled. It's toggled on. Ooh, let's toggle it on, and then let's see what happens when you put it onto the wireless charger. So I'm going to put it on there. It says wireless charging, and now it's going to change. Now it says fast wirelessly charging. 1 hour and 47 minutes until full. Okay, well, let's do this now. Let's take off fast wirelessly charging. Let's take that off, and now let's put it on there and see what happens. Now it'll just say wirelessly charging, and now it's going to take a lot longer, 2 hours and 11 minutes until it is actually full. Now let's do the same thing with the cable here, okay? So I have fast charging, fast cable charging, it's already toggled on, okay? So now, let's see what happens. And it's much faster to do charging via cable than a wireless charging pad, okay? Now it says charging, now it says fast charging, 1 hour and 6 minutes until full. Well, what happens if we uncheck fast cable charging? And now, let's plug it back in. And now it's only going to say charging. And now it's 1 hour and 15 minutes until full. Okay, so pretty simple. Questions or issues? Comment below.